Hi, hello friends, welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics. Hi friends, in this video we will discuss the problem number 3 of the section 3 of exercise 3e. Section 2, problem number 3. The problem is if a equal to 3 minus 3 4, 2 minus 3 4, 0 minus 1 1, then show that a inverse equal to a cube. Here this is 3, a cube. A inverse equal to a cube. Solution. In this problem, we can calculate A inverse and also A cube values. Then we show these two values are equal to each other. First, we can calculate A cube. For that solution, given matrix is. Given matrix is A equal to 3 minus 3, 4, 2 minus 3, 4, 0 minus 1, 1. This is a matrix A. First we can calculate for A cube. We can calculate first A square value. A square is nothing but A into A. 3 minus 3, 4, 2 minus 3, 4, 0 minus 1, 1 into again A. 3 minus 3, 4, 2 minus 3, 4, 0 minus 1, 1. Then that is equal to, we can multiply these two matrices. First row, first column, 3 3s are 9 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 0 minus 9 plus 9 minus 4, 12 minus 12 plus 4, 6 minus 6 plus 0 minus 6 plus 9 minus 4, 8 minus 12 plus 4, 4, 0 minus 2 plus 0, 0 plus 3 minus 1, 0 minus 4 plus 1. This is a multiplied matrix. Then A square equal to 9 minus 6, 3. Plus 9 minus 9 get cancelled, then minus 4. Plus 12 minus 12 get cancelled, plus 4. Plus 6 minus 6 get cancelled, then value is 0. Here minus 6 minus 4 minus 10 plus 9 minus 1. Here 8 plus 4 12, 12 minus 12 0 minus 2. 3 minus 1, 2. Minus 4 plus 1, minus 3. This is A square value. Again, A cube equal to A square into A. That is equal to A square value is 3 minus 4, 4, 0 minus 1, 0, minus 2, 2, minus 3 into A value is 3 minus 3, 4, 2 minus 3, 4, 0 minus 1, 1. This is A value. That equal to, the multiplication is first row, first column, 9 minus 8 plus 0, minus 9 plus 12 minus 4, 12 minus 16 plus 4, 0 minus 2 plus 0, 0 plus 3 plus 0, 0 minus 4 plus 0, minus 6 plus 4 plus 0, 6 minus 6 plus 3, minus 8 plus 8 minus 3. That is equal to A cube value 9 minus 8 value 1. Here minus 9 minus 4 minus 13. Minus 13 plus 1 plus 12 minus 1. 12 plus 4 16. 16 minus 16 0. Minus 2 3 minus 4 minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 plus 6 minus 6 get cancelled, then value is 3 plus 8 minus 8 get cancelled, the value is minus 3. This is a cube value. Let it be equation number 1. This is a cube value. Let it be equation number 1. Next we can calculate A inverse value. For A inverse, first we calculate determination of A. Then first we calculate determination of A is equal to 3 into minus 3 plus 4 plus 3 into 2 minus 0 plus 4 into minus 2 plus 0. That is equal to 3 into 1 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into minus 2. That equal to 3 plus 6 minus 8 equal to 9 minus 8 1. This is not equal to 0. Therefore, determination of A is not equal to 0. Then A is non-singular. If a given matrix is non-singular, then A is invertible. Then A is invertible. Then we have to find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is nothing but the transpose of the cofactor matrix of the given matrix. Then first find out the cofactor matrix. Then the cofactor matrix of A is, let it be B, that is equal to the cofactor matrix of A. Given matrix A is, let it be B. Then by calculating the cofactor matrix, the matrix B is 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 3 3 0 minus 4 minus 3. This is a cofactor matrix of the given matrix. Then we have to find adjoint of A. Then adjoint of A equal to B transpose. B transpose equal to 1 minus 1 0 minus 2 3 minus 4 minus 2 3 minus 3. This is a transpose of a given matrix. Then A inverse equal to adjoint of A by det A. By det A, that is equal to 1 by 1 into adjoint of A value 1 minus 1 0 minus 2 3 minus 4 minus 2 3 minus 3. Therefore, A inverse equal to 1 minus 1 minute. A inverse equal to 1 minus 1 0 minus 2 3 minus 4 minus 2 3 minus 3. This is a inverse value. From equation 1, we can say that this is equal to A cube because of equation number 1. Because of equation number 1. Then therefore A inverse equal to A cube. This is the solution of the given problem. In this also, we can given matrix A, and then by using matrix A, we can calculate A cube. For A cube, first we calculate A square, and then A square into A is A cube. A cube is one matrix A. I have calculated 1 minus 1 0 minus 2 3 minus 4 minus 2 3 minus 3 is A cube. Let it be equation number 1. Then next we can calculate A inverse value. If we can calculate A inverse, first we can check the given matrix is singular matrix or non-singular matrix. For that, first we can calculate determination of A. If the determination of A is equal to 1 in this problem, then that is not equal to 0, then the given matrix is a non-singular matrix. If a given matrix is non-singular, then it is invertible. If given matrix is invertible, then directly we can calculate adjoint of A. For finding adjoint of A, first we calculate the cofactor matrix of the given matrix. Let it be B. Then the cofactor matrix of the given matrix B transpose value is equal to adjoint of A. Then by finding the adjoint of A value, then we substitute the values into A inverse formula. A inverse equal to adjoint of A by determination of A. 1 by det A value is 1. 1 by 1 into the adjoint of A value. Then that adjoint of A value is A inverse equal to 1 minus 1 0 minus 2 3 minus 4 minus 2 3 minus 3. From equation 1, this is equal to A cube value. Then therefore A inverse equal to A cube, or A cube equal to A inverse. This is the solution of this third problem of the section 2 of exercise 3e. Thank you for watching. Please support and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.